Yeah, welcome to my quiz TV. Yeah, so we are continuing from where we stopped the other video. So the first video we talked on introduction. Video is on introduction. We introduce the materials, everything you need to start your t-shirt branding. So we introduce everything needed. So we've introduced everything we need. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, kindly check the other video where we did the introduction to everything needed for screen printing. So today, what are we doing today? What are we doing today is, as I said earlier, how you can construct your mesh on your own. Construct yourself by yourself. Peradventure, maybe when you get to where they are selling art material, you could not find already made mesh. Peradventure, maybe when you went to where they are selling art material, you could not find already made mesh. But how you can construct the mesh by yourself. So the only thing you need is, if you can get your mesh clothes. This is mesh clothes here. If you can get your mesh clothes, just ask them for ordinary mesh clothes. Just ask them for ordinary mesh clothes, so you can get ordinary mesh clothes. Then when you get home, you can look for wood. So this is the wood I will use for this. Look for wood. Just measure out the size of the mesh you get and cut the wood according to the size of your mesh. Then you can nail it together like this. So I did this before these videos. I don't want this video to be too long, so I've construct this. I think this is very simple. You can do this. Just cut the wood according to the size you want and nail it together using your hammer and your nail. So this is the main two materials you'll be using. So how are we going to start this? Let's go to class now. After you've nailed one of the sides, make sure you nail the opposite side. So you can use the opposite side to drag it, to stretch it, so it will be very firm. So can you see now? Is it? I'm stretching from this side so that it will be firm. It will be very firm and strong. So there is our result. Can you see how firm it looks? Can you see? So what I'm doing next is I will cut out these excesses. Just cut them out. You can use your scissors or use your cutter or anything just to cut out these excesses. I prefer using my blade. So I will just cut out these excesses. So after kneading everything, can you see how our mesh looks like? Can you see what it looks like? If you can see, it's very firm and strong. So can you see? Can you see? So this is how you can construct your mesh if you cannot get the already made mesh at the art shop where they are selling art material. So this is how you can construct your mesh by yourself on your own using what you have around you. Nail, the 5/8 tack nails and hammer. Then you measure out the size of the wood you construct. Then you nail your mesh to it. Then you are good to go. So if you get value from this video, kindly click the like button. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment below or anything to add to it. I will reply you in the comments below. And likewise, if today is your first time of seeing this channel, please don't mind the noise. I told you I'm doing this video outside. If today is your first time of this YouTube channel, kindly click the subscription button, because in our next class we will start coating our mesh and exposing our artwork, and we'll start printing. Then we are done with screen printing. We just keep on repeating different examples, practicing more, so to some of us that did not get it, we can also get it. Don't wait tomorrow, don't procrastinate. Make sure you start practicing it now. Thank you. See you in our next class. Bye bye.